What we tried to achieve was to open the eyes of the students to new possibilities. We think of autonomous communities for a connected world.
A number of students have been brought together from across the world, and there's been a genuine collaboration and sharing of ideas through workshops, through presentations, and through work over the table.
The On-Cities workshop started with the students using a miniature version of our cityscope that we call the bentoscope.
Data algorithms and metrics to define city planning.
We try to understand people and how people are impacting in the city.
And I'm super interested in how cities can change the behavior of people.
Look backwards to where communities were functionally autonomous.
Restoration of human scale in human settlements.
We also encourage them to think to the future.
Talk about the future city is a very controversial topic.
Outlining the problem, setting an intention, finding out what the outcome needs to be, and then a way to measure the outcome.
Try to find the synthesis of how our city of tomorrow is going to be like.
We want to have a city that doesn't harm its neighbor, that doesn't harm the planet.
If you are thinking that you found the recipe that is perfect for everything, you are lost.
So the project started as a kind of response to this MIT tool, but then actually that became just another input along with all these other seminars we were having.
Our project that we developed this week was a two-part model, one in which we had a horizontal ground plane and then a vertical stack of residential towers.
We're actively trying to break down the barriers between the disciplines.
I'm a meteorologist and working with air pollution. And what has been interesting is the curiosity I've been approached with.
The architect is someone that knows a little bit about everything.
As an architect, we are usually thinking about the space. We do not care about the climate, the economy, the people's living quality. So when we combine them together to have a better understanding about the life.
It even made me question if the work that I'm doing now is what I really want to continue doing and rethinking it.
Professors were very open to listen to your ideas and to learn with you.
We can also learn a lot from professors, the tutors, and from Norman Foster himself because they were really listening.
And I think they've provoked those of us with more experience to think again about some of the issues that we face.
Me particularly, I have more questions than answers.
Probably the most important challenge on these days is collaboration.
And it's so great to share those questions and to share that enthusiasm to make cities better.
Let's cooperate. Different sets, different knowledge. Let's put it together and make our cities more livable.
Creative tension, arguing about ideas, and then coming together, converging on a solution which was beautifully presented.
I think it's great to have a foot set on reality and to have also another foot set on our utopias.
Revolutionary ideas are not just going to remain in drawers.
We should all pursue our own dreams, and I think there's a lot of dreams in that room.
They are the future, and they're all committed to making the world a better place.